Hi dear students, this is the second video about area, perimeter and volume. We are going to continue with array of parallelogram. And here I'm going to try to find the area of parallelogram by using the help of area of rectangle. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral with two pairs of parallel sides. One of the way finding the area of the parallelogram is to turn into rectangle. I'm going to remind about the area of the rectangle. You know that it is base length times perpendicular height. Actually, it is not perpendicular height. It is base times height we are calling. But in parallelogram, we are going to say that that's going to be perpendicular height. And I want to show by using the here this app and to show that, let's say this is our parallelogram. It's going to be, I'm going to cut from part of it, then I'm going to turn into rectangle. That one I'm going to show how it's going to be. First, let me get that one. Yes, this is our parallelogram now. If the figure is really parallelogram, then it says that when you cut the part of it, you are going to, when you cut the part of it here, when you draw the perpendicular height here, you can cut the part of it, and the part that you cut, you are going to stick to other side. So I'm going to do this one here. Let me first copy this one because I want to show something different here to you. Here, let's keep this one and let's continue with different color here. And I'm going to choose another color here, like blue one and a bit thicker. And here I'm going to start from this point here, let's say, then this point. This point I'm going to choose. I hope that that's 90 degrees, then this one and this one and this one. This is the first part of the rectangle, and this is the second part now. This one here, here, and here. Okay, now I select two part here. This is I'm not going to take this one here. Yeah, this small part only. And when I cut and paste here, as you see, I'm going to get one rectangle here. The figure, when I get here, it's going to be, when I delete this one, you are going to see that that becomes one rectangle. And the area of parallelogram, it is same with area of the rectangle. Also, I showed here another parallelogram because it doesn't need to be here only. It may be wherever you like. And I'm going to compare with this parallelogram, and I'm going to show that the area of when I cut from here, and let's say I will cut here. Let me cut from here. Yeah, I'm going to cut from here. And I'm going to show that it's going to be, again, the same rectangle with this one. Let's see that one, how it's going to be. Again, I'm going to divide into two parts. Here, I'm going to use this one, then to this corner, to this corner. This is the first part of the rectangle, and the second one is from this corner. I am going to start, then to this one, then to this one, and then to this one, and this one back again. So when I move this one to the other side here, I'm going to move this one to the other side. You are going to see that the rectangles here coinciding, and when I leave this one here, you are going to see only one rectangle. And you are going to see when I put this one over this one, as you see, their area, it's going to be same. So if we return to back, wherever you cut your parallelogram here, you may cut like this, from this point, or from this point, or from this point. When you cut perpendicularly, and when you connect with the other side, you will evaluate one rectangle. And the area of the rectangle and area of your parallelogram, it is same. And with respect to that one, the area of parallelogram and area of the rectangle is same, and it is base length times perpendicular height. It's going to be, with respect to that one, A is equal to base times h. It's going to be, but also I need to mention on the other page, it is important the height used perpendicular to the base. So parallelogram, it will be like this or like this. Here it is not important. When you draw to one perpendicular line to the one of the base, here this is the length and this is the base now, because the perpendicular height drawn to this one, or here the perpendicular height drawn, or if you draw to this one, you are going to draw like this, and this is going to be your base. So with respect to perpendicular height, you are going to decide about your base, and the formula, it's not going to change again. The area, it's going to be equal to, I'm going to change the, here, I'm going to rewrite this one. Area, it's not going to change for the parallelogram. It's going to be again base times perpendicular height. It's going to be. Okay, so with respect to this one, if we start to solve the questions here, the length of find the area of the parallelogram if the length of the base is 7.5 centimeter and the perpendicular height is 4 centimeter. Actually, in this question, 4.8 is not important for us. It is not. We are not going to use in area calculation. Area is going to be base times height, which is equal to base times perpendicular height, and it's equal to 4 times 7.5. It's going to be, which is equal to 30 centimeter. Both of the units are centimeters. That's why the area per unit is going to be centimeter square. Okay, this is the second one. The area of the parallelogram is 76 centimeter, and the one of the side is 9.5 centimeters. So find the perpendicular height. It says here, the thing that we are going to do, if we know the formula, area is equal to base times height, and the base is 9.5 and the area is 76. So 76 is equal to 9.5 times height. It's going to be, which is, if you want to find the here the height length, you should divide 76 by 9.5, because if you want to get in this formula to height length, you should send this one to the other side, and the operation between the height and the base is multiplication, so it should go to other side as division, and it's going to be equal to height, and 76 divided by 9.5, let's do by using calculator here. 76 divided by 9.5, it's going to be, and the answer is 8. So with respect to that one, 8, it's going to be equal to height of the perpendicular height of the parallelogram. Okay, some exercises that we are going to solve in the class.